Good evening, everyone. Trade plan for 11th July, Thursday. Today was Wednesday and Bank Nifty expiry. What a day. Today's video is going to be a little longer because I want to explain things. Let me go to the charts first. Nifty. What did I say? That if we need to go for a sustained up move, अपने को छोटा सा करेक्शन मांगता बोला था ना अपने को करेक्शन मांगता वो करेक्शन आ गया लेकिन करेक्शन तो आया बट one of the basic premise that I was asking for is that I will be a buyer till Nifty does not close below 24330 broadly. Lekin Nifty has closed today at 24324 on the daily charts, and on the intraday charts it has closed at 24312. Yahan problem. This is where the first problem comes. So it's a situation where I have closed my longs. For the brave ones, we can initiate shorts, but at least longs could be closed for the time being. Question ये है कि has a swing top been made today with today's all-time high of 24461? Is the answer yes or no? If the 24330 level was protected, I would have said no. But since 24330 isn't protected, now it is doubtful and we may have made a swing top at today's high. Where do we go from here? So look at this 24th June low from where another up move started. So if we refer this particular swing, first level of 24183 has been tested. Probably it may get tested again sooner or later, maybe tomorrow, maybe day after, I don't know. Below which we have 24090, that means broadly 24100, and 24905, which means broadly 23905, which means broadly 23900. So 23900 may be possible now with a support around 23973, let's say about 24,000. So between 24,000 and 23,900, there could be a support if the downswing continues. We will get into confirmation soon. Nothing wrong with RSI. Now, RSI is still above 69, but that means it is going to go up. It just means there is no immediate weakness, but strength is now missing. Let's look at this in hourly charts. Same thing. The level of 24183, you can see it here also, 24183. Intraday, the first 2 hours of negativity and then some kind of a base formation around this place. If you remember, this was the gap up. Okay. It acted as a cushion, and from here the bounce went up. Now, what can we see tomorrow? If we get an up move or a higher open, 24390 is a strong resistance. Forget about 24461. 24390 is a strong resistance from where I may consider adding on to my puts. I'm carrying BTST, Bank Nifty puts. I'll come to that later. But I'll take this as a reference and I'll probably pick up some negative positions here because I sense that this could be a possible resistance. If this resistance is broken, then the next resistance is 24661. Obviously, today's high and the all time high. But then these are the two strong levels where Nifty can face resistance. RSI is no longer above 60 in 1 hour charts. Are you seeing that? It's trading at 50.63. So therefore, RSI is no longer strong. Look at in the 30-minute charts also. Same situation. It is weak and the RSI is almost 50. In the 15 minutes charts, it is possible to see a much lower down move if this trend continues. Nifty has taken support, feeble support, weak support at 200 EMA. It did sink down, but it recovered, moved up, went down again, moved up. Now, it all depends. There is a possible cycle time tomorrow around 10 o'clock. That is a time when Nifty may, after 10 o'clock, possibly move up. But it all depends where is Nifty trading at that point in time. And it's not sure that it will be taken advantage of. It may or may not take advantage. But what is important is that today's low of 24141, let me have some kind of a line here, 24141, which is today's low, would act as the final support. If this is broken, the more lower levels open up. So this is the final hope for tomorrow. Up move resistance is around 390 and 461, and on the downside the support lies at 141, which is today's low. That's the view. So better to stay neutral till either of these levels are taken out. Either we go down or we move back up above 24461. What is Bank Nifty doing? Here we are. Finally, the support of 52248. Remember, I've been talking about this line. Finally, this support was taken out. It's broken. And the close is below this level at 52189. Not good. In daily charts, RSI is below 60. It's 57.14. Not good. It's made a lower high, lower low pattern. Not good for bulls. Look at 1 hour charts. Made some kind of a base here, tried to go for the up move. But difficult. It has to first take out 324, then take out 433, then take out 652, then take out 871. Considering the strength of Bank Nifty, whatever it has been showing in the last few sessions, looks difficult. तकलीफ तो है. The final support is at 51996, let's say 52,000. If this is broken, there is more trouble for Bank Nifty. And it can fall to 51, 51317. Let's say 51300 levels in a much quicker manner. Let's also extend this support. This we may find some kind of a support in this zone. This was the gap up which has to be considered. Okay. Now there is a possible support here, but the support finally the support lies at 51137. ये 51310 का भी लेवल है यहाँ पे and 51260 का भी लेवल है. So these are 2-3 levels that Bank Nifty can crash to. What is also to be noted is RSI is weak on 1 hour charts. It's sub 40, pretty weak. So any kind of an up move, if it fails, the fall can be very quick. Tomorrow, by the way, is Nifty expiry. So be careful. Um, what about 30 minutes? It has found support at 200 EMA of 30 minutes, but it is weaker because it is below these two levels, and that's not good news. So my feeling is that this may find resistance at 308 or 324 as the case may be. So even if there is an up move, it may not sustain for long. ऐसा लगता है. Rest nobody can figure out the market, but ऐसा लगता है basis whatever I can see. Therefore, as and when the up move starts fizzling out, it would probably be a good idea to consider puts. Bank Nifty is a weaker index, so you know which will work faster. In the 15 minutes, in the 1 hour is here. I said 1 hour 51310, but in 15 minutes, there's an intermediate support around 51783. Today's low in case of Bank Nifty is also crucial. Let me use some other color to differentiate this. This is crucial, and if this breaks, let's put an alert also here. We can say Bank Nifty crossing yesterday's low. Once per minute, so we can get a repeated signal in case this happens. This is what is created. Let me also go ahead and move this line. This is marking yesterday's low. I will now move this to today's low and lock this. And this is saying Nifty below yesterday's. So same thing. So we get an alert when either of the day's levels are taken out, because then the move can be real fast. Till the time we are above today's low for tomorrow, things are fairly in control and comfortable. But if you see last 1, 2, 3, 4, and now 5 sessions after making the all-time high in Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty is yet to show strength. In fact, it has confirmed weakness today with a close of RSI below 60. That's the reason for me to become a little pessimistic on this. This is, if you see on Nifty, you can see on the daily chart the engulfing, bearish engulfing pattern, very clear. And on the intraday charts, this high could never be touched and it stopped somewhere here. Let's for a minute look at what is HDFC Bank doing, because that will give you a lot of clues. Let's look at first on the daily charts. It's at 1624, which is its last hope. 1624 and this level of 1618 or whatever. This is the last hope. Likely that it may bounce, but Will the bounce be strong enough? That is to be seen. Why? Because in the daily chart, RSI is trading at 48. Strength nahi dikh rahi hai. Scope is there for up move, but there is no strength. On the hourly chart, again 34, RSI is 34. Strength nahi nazar aa rahi. Both in daily and hourly, the trend is down. So unless it starts making a higher high, higher low formation, bullish formation price action, we cannot consider this to be a reliable support at this moment. Let's see tomorrow what happens. For now, it is closed and is trading below 200 EMA on the hourly charts, well below these two lines also. So if HDFC Bank is not strong, Bank Nifty is weak. And if Bank Nifty is weak, you know what Nifty will do. It can also come back and complain. No strength. In the early charts, again, Reliance is stuck in a clear resistance at 3181 level. ICICI Bank is okay, but it has to cross above 1250 to see some kind of a strength. Infi has a resistance at 1663, may not be taken out. So Infi and ICICI Bank and Reliance, number 4, 3, and 2, are not supporting on hourly charts. Let's look at the daily charts as well. Outside bar in case of Infi, which is our number 4 stock in the Nifty index, confusion can fall down. Uh, ICICI Bank may not necessarily go beyond the current high. Reliance is weak and has already tested 3131 support level. And HDFC, as we have discussed, is clinging by the skin of its teeth to the 1624 level. This will decide what will happen tomorrow. Basis RSI, I'm not seeing great strength in HDFC Bank. So we better be careful. Longs to be possibly closed. We may consider that. It is up to you. But this is how I would keep my plan for tomorrow. Bank Nifty for a change has closed below 9 EMA, another indicator. So you have to see a lot of these things in combination to realize where we are. I don't care where Dow is. I don't care where crude is, but the price action is giving us lots of hints. Dow seems to have been trading a little up, 132 points. It's a feeble move, but taking some kind of a support. What will happen tomorrow? We don't know. SGS is almost flattish for tomorrow right now. कल सुबह देखेंगे. No idea right now. So be careful with your longs and do not be in a hurry to make shorts. But मौसम शायद बदल रहा है. Be careful. Market has been over hot for quite some time, and unless we shed some weight, it may be difficult for further up move. We would have been still positive had the close been above 24, 332 or 330 broadly. That hasn't happened. That is where the whole thing is triggered. Okay. We meet again tomorrow, 9 o'clock in the live. Uh, Hopefully, the trade plan is adding value to your understanding of the market. My analysis is adding value. And the morning time that we are together for 1 hour, that's also adding value. I don't believe in trading whole day. I can watch the charts, but I don't believe in trading whole day. So uh, it's the session is typically from 9 to 10. So feel free to join in. The link will be shared on the Telegram channel just before that. And if you're subscribed to the channel, You will get the link anyway when soon as we go live. Till then, have a nice evening, enjoy yourself, and have a nice day tomorrow. Bye bye.